everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to do how to style cowboy boots in the fall and winter time. I know a lot of you are struggling with how to transition your cowboy boots from the summer dresses and skirts and shorts into fall and winter appropriate clothing. So I'm here to show you guys how I like to do it. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring this video. You guys already know the rundown, but let's go over it real quick for those of you who don't. Casetify's phone cases are slim and protective. They're engineered with the 2-layer Chi-Tech technology. They're drop tested approved, which you guys already know, and they're so much more protective than the cheaper alternatives on Amazon. Your phone's expensive, protect it with a good case. Let's do a drop test. Here's my phone before. Who's texting me, Brandon? Then, you guys see? It's so aggressive. And we're golden, no cracks, still getting texts. They come in a ton of different designs, and you can pick your favorite color or print to match your phone to your style. You can also add your name or your pet's name, like I always do, and monogram your case for a truly customizable look. Casetify's antimicrobial coating keeps your case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria. So important right now and always. Their impact and ultra impact cases are made with 50% recycled material, so you can feel good about your phone looking great. So if you guys want to get a Casetify phone case and possibly match me, go to casetify.com/Lainey and you can get 15% off your Casetify phone order. You guys already know. Everybody has one of these cases in my family, all my friends. Whenever somebody needs a new phone case, I always just jump on it and buy them a Casetify phone case because it's so worth it. Let's get into the cowboy boots.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Now we're gonna okay, oh yeah, I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. All you need is the time that I got plenty. the storm. I really want you to realize I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. I'm searching for real love. Someone to set my heart free. I'm searching for
Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. With all of these outfits, remember you can layer as much as you need to for the fall time. I don't want to see any more comments under my videos saying, this wouldn't work for my weather. It's inspo. Take it as inspo and adjust it to how you would be able to wear it. Sorry if that sounded like a dig. I just really want you guys to be able to do that with your pieces in your wardrobe. I want you to be able to look at an outfit I put together and think, oh my god, I don't have those pieces, and maybe that won't work exactly for me, but that makes me think of an outfit that would. It's not me sitting here and saying, copy these outfits that I put together. I want you guys to really be able to learn from my outfits videos and find your personal style, yada yada yada. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to click the link in the description box or go to casetify.com/Lainey to get 15% off your Casetify phone case. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.
fell for me. You said I'm not